Hi, my name is Brennan from Ross Automotive Machine in Lapeer, Michigan. Today I just want to talk to you about our combo machine here from Robbins. So this is a machine that is Plato boring. A lot of people don't know what that is. Neither did we when we first talked to Robin about the machine. But we have quite a bit of other Robbins equipment, and we've had great success, and machines have been flawless. And so when Robin mentioned it to us about that he's coming out with something new, we said, all right, Robin, let's do it. Get us one. So we were actually able to get one of the first ones, and it's been a huge learning experience about what we can actually do with boring versus a conventional system where we're leaving 3 or 4 thou of hone stock. Here we're leaving about a tenth or two, and the results of that, we were able to drastically reduce blow-by and crankcase pressure. So we were able to do this process and go from about 7 CFM on our start of our break-in to down to about 2 CFM. And that's just switching from leaving 3 to 4 thou of hone stock versus leaving a tenth or two. So all we do in our hone is put in our crosshatch, which takes about 10 to 15 strokes, depending on the RVK we're trying to achieve and what grit stone we're using. And that also helps get our RVK, RA, and RPK numbers where the ring manufacturer wants it. And that's the only thing we've changed, and we've been able to drastically reduce our blow-by numbers, which has been great to see. For one, actually see a change and justify doing the Plato boring, because I mean everybody, it's different. We're trying to revolutionize an industry, and when change happens, people are hesitant. So we were the same, but we trusted in the Robbins name, and we've had great luck, and it's been a great experience to try things and learn something new and say, hey, things can be done a different way, and things can be done in a different way and be better. So it's been a great experience, and we've learned a lot from the machine about cylindricity and boring a true straight hole. And another perk we have of it is we don't have to fight taper, so we can bore a hole almost to size, and then we don't have to fight any taper. So as I've been talking to guys about this machine, we talk about some guys have CK10s, they have CV616s, HP6s, and it's sometimes difficult to fight taper in a block. Well, we can eliminate that fight. If you're boring within a tenth or two of your finish size, there's not really any taper to fight, which is pretty cool. It saves you time to have to monitor a machine and really know what you're doing on a hone, and we can still achieve extremely accurate, good results. And that's been awesome to see and actually practice it in person. Because we can talk about theory all day, but until we have actual proof, and like we're seeing now, and data backing it, it gets people hesitant. So it's great to see Plato boring working and achieving great results and achieving better results than we were achieving with conventional honing. So if you have any questions, give me a call. I'll gladly answer your questions and talk you through a machine and what we can actually do with it. Thank you.